The presenter is not the only important role in the webinar. There is another crucial role, the chat moderator. If you are wondering what a chat moderator is and how they can make your webinar smoother, you're in the right place. Stick around to learn the ins and outs of being a chat moderator. First things first, what is a moderator? A moderator is like the guardian of the chat. They help keep things organized and ensure everyone has a positive experience during the webinar. Positive experience. This isn't very positive, so I don't think we need this for the video. 2. How a moderator helps your webinar. So, how does a moderator help your webinar? Well, they manage the chat, assist with technical issues, and create a friendly environment. This makes the webinar more enjoyable for everyone attending. 3. What to do as a moderator. As a moderator, your main job is to keep an eye on the chat. You welcome participants, you answer their questions, and make sure their conversations stay on topic. If there are any technical glitches, you can guide participants on what to do. 4. How to prepare as a moderator. Now, how can you prepare yourself to be a great moderator? First, get familiar with the webinar platform. Know how to use the chat features and understand the basics of the webinar platform, which, in the case of WebinarGeek, is very easy. And practice makes perfect, so try moderating a test webinar to get the hang of it. Quick tips for moderators. Here are some quick tips for moderators. 1. Be friendly and welcoming. 2. Stay focused on the chat. 3. If there are any rules, make sure that your participants know them. 4. Coordinate with other moderators if there are any. And 5. Be prepared to handle technical issues calmly. 6. During the webinar. During the webinar, keep the chat positive and engaging. Encourage participants to ask questions and share thoughts. If someone has a technical issue, you can guide them on what to do or direct them to the support team. In a nutshell, being a moderator is all about creating a friendly and organized chat space. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about webinars and how to host them, what gear to use and what it is like to work at a tech startup, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click like on this video and hit that notification bell. And let me know, how do you use moderators? Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!